My name is Chiel Redeliek, Director of Shipyard Rotterdam. We are a subsidiary of the KRVE, Royal Rowers Association in Dracht. We are mainly involved in building work rafts, pilot boats, and mooring systems for shore tension. Rotterdam Shipyard started 15 years ago under the name Merwelen's Yachtbouw. Maintenance of the KRVE required so much time and work at the time that the KRVE felt the need to start up his own yard. And that happened in 2007. We are now in the new section of the Rotterdam Shipyard where the construction work is taking place. 15 years ago, we started with regular welding tables in the workshops. In our quest to elevate our quality standards, we transitioned to multifunctional tables. And with these tables, work can be done faster and more efficiently, and the quality is simply much higher. Since we can properly secure our materials on the tables, they remain significantly more stable, which in turn benefits the quality and speed of the company. If we continue to expand in the future, we will use these tables again. Following our motto, "Won't work doesn't exist," we gladly recommend these tables.